Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Luna AI for creating or generating videos for your content. Okay, so go to the Google and here we will search Luna AI. Okay, so I have just write and you will get this website luna.video. This is the website. You can simply click on this or type this website and you will get this website. So this is the overall look of this website. On the front you can see that this option home, AI hack, video tools, video effects option, video models as well. You will get multiple options and here you can see some creative video that has been created with the help of Luna AI. Okay, so first of all we are going to need to create an account as well. So first of all let's click on this get started button so that we can create our account on this website. So I will just simply continue with my Google account. So I will click on this. So finally our account is created. Here you can see that it's displaying my account as well and I have 3 credits right now. So let's try the dream machine. Okay, so this is the main interface where you can create your videos. You can also upload the picture and then it will generate it to the video and you can also write the prompt. So here we are going to convert the text to a video. Okay, so here let's say we want to make a person is shooting to a boy on bike with his rifle in cinematic style. Let's see. So we want this aspect ratio and now I will click on generate button and then it will start generating. Okay, and it will take this few seconds and then it will give you the video. So finally here you can see that our video has been created. Let's check it out. So as you can see that it has created a video. A person is shooting and the boy is on the bicycle in a cinematic style. So that's how you can create some stunning videos with the help of just text command, as well as you can also upload photos and then it will convert it into video. So that's all about Luna AI, how you can use it to create videos. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.